What's up, YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik, and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, if you came to this video and you're wondering how you can make hundreds of dollars in less than an hour online, what I need you to do is I need you to hit the like button, I need you to ring the notification bell, and I also need you to subscribe to the channel. Now, before we get into the video, I just want to let you know what's going to happen. I'm going to show you 3 easy money websites for you to go to and sign up for, and all you have to do is give your opinion and they're going to pay you for it. So this video is going to be for my very opinionated people. All right, if you have a lot to say about a lot of things, this is going to be the video for you. Now let's get into it. So the site we're going to look at right now is called UserZoom. Now, UserZoom is where brands and companies go to get real-time opinions on their products and their platform. So maybe they have a website, or maybe they have a rollout coming out and they're not too sure what it's going to be like once it hits the market, or it's already hit the market and they need to figure out what the fixes need to be. They go to a company like UserZoom, who has a panel of people who just give their opinions on how things are going, what they feel, about the product and about the websites and anything that the company needs to know about. All right. So this helps them, and it also helps us, because they need actual people in order to give these reviews. Like, they can't get professional reviewers. No, they have to get everyday consumers who usually would be most likely to go to these websites, use these products, and give an honest feedback. And that's the key here, is you want to give honest feedback. You don't want to give lazy answers. You don't want to just be like, oh yeah, this is cool, I don't really like that. No, you have to be very detail oriented as well, right? And you can see all of these companies down here use it all the time. Google, United, News UK. These are places and businesses that use this platform in order to get real-time feedback on what they're doing, right? And Google is a highly successful business. So is Bose. So is United. And obviously, they have to be able to fix things on the fly, and the way they do that is through this website. So the way that you would be able to get involved is you're going to go to the top over here and you're going to say join our panel, right? And join our panel is going to bring you to this page, and it tells you that your opinion matters. And this isn't a lie. Like, it actually does. Your opinions can make you money. Like, the things you think about and the things you have to say can potentially make you hundreds of dollars. And this is just how it works, right? You get paid easily. You get paid easy. This is what happens. You go to the website, you sign up, and there's no fee, and there's no like background check. They're not checking your social security information or anything like that. You literally just give feedback and get paid, right? So all you have to do is go to this website. You can sign up, and put your email address in, and it's not something that you want to do for hours at a time, right? This is just something in the meantime while you're waiting in line for your food, or, you're in between movies, right? You're trying to pick something, or, you're about to go out and you don't really know what everyone's doing yet. So you're just kind of like sitting in the living room waiting. Like, this is what you do. You pick up your phone, all right, or you go online and you just take this quick little test. You'd say, hey, let me see what products are out there who may need to know what's going on, all right? If you have like 10, 15, 20 minutes to spare, this is a really good way to make money, all right? I would suggest that you get a set of headphones that have like the inline microphone on it, because it's going to just be easier to give your feedback. You have to type, and sometimes you have to also use your voice in order to tell them what's going on. But listen, IntelliZoom panel is what they're calling the join in. All right, all you have to do is go to UserZoom, type in join our panel, and you can be on the panel, and it's super duper easy. The next video we're going to look at is called Enroll. Now, Enroll is very similar to UserZoom, all right? It's asking for your opinions. Again, these companies come here and they're trying to figure out how to make their product the best, all right? So you can be the first to even see some of this stuff. So they're more into things that haven't really hit the market yet. It's kind of like when you get music that no one's heard before yet. You're kind of just the first few people that the artist kind of sends it out to, or, you got the leak, so this won't be out until the fall. This is kind of like that, all right? They're just trying to test out the things that are going to happen before they actually put it out for the entire public to see. So you can actually be the first to give your opinions on products and have them fix it before they come out. And then if you go to the store and you go to, Walmart or Target or things like that, and you're walking the aisle and you see the product that you gave your opinions on, 3 months ago, that can be a really fulfilling feeling, right? That can be like, wow, I actually made a difference in this company's rollout and the way they look at their products. You can take the test anywhere. They have the apps, and they also have the iPhone and tablet apps. So you can, if you have an iPad on you and you're just in the car waiting for somebody to come out of the store, or you're waiting to pick up somebody, this is a great way to kill time. We have to figure out ways in order for us to use our free time to still make money. Like every hour of every day should be spent and trying to figure out how to monetize ourselves, right? And we're trying to monetize our free time by very, very low impact things, though. Nothing that's going to take too much brain power, nothing that's going to exhaust us, right? We already have our job that does that. When we're out and about, we just want to just be able to not think about it. We want to be able to not think about it and just, hey, see if I can make a little money doing this or make a little money doing that. You also get rewards. You don't always get money, and you can option out of any of those things. You could, get a reward for, a Red Lobster gift card, or you can get, $25. It doesn't really matter. But they're telling you that you can actually change the way that people look at things on the internet, and that's a pretty powerful statement. Again, all you have to do is hit Enroll Me, right? You just sign up, and all of these are very easy to do. They're very simple. They're not very complex, all right? You can do this anywhere, anytime, and again, this is 100% free, but you should get a PayPal account because a lot of these places pay you through PayPal. Now, this is the granddaddy of them all, Lytx. Lytx is probably one of the top 3 places people go through in order to get their products reviewed. So companies all over the world sign up to Lytx and ask your opinions about their products, about their websites, about everything they could possibly think of in order to make them the best product or best business out there, right? And they're paying people for their opinions. Now, this is one of the more popular ones. That doesn't mean there's going to be a whole lot more competition. That means that these are solidified. This is a very solidified site. You're not going to have any problems. You're not going to have any hiccups, right? They are legit, absolutely legit. This is the company part of the website. So they're telling the company, Lytx, what they're looking for, right? They're like, hey, we need somebody that's 35 who has 2 kids and owns a home, or we need, a student who uses their phone at least 5 hours a day, right? And they go and they give this website information, and then this website goes to find you. So what you can do is you can register, right? All you have to do is sign up. Again, there's no background check. There's no fee, nothing like that. All you have to do is register, and you fill out the form. And what happens is you can get paid via PayPal. Remember, I told you a lot of these places pay you from a PayPal account. You can get paid $5, $10, $15, even $90 just for giving your opinion on a product that a company needs your opinion on, right? It's easy money. Absolutely easy money. It has countries from all over the world, so you don't have to be in one particular area, which is great, right? But I'm scrolling down because we need to see a couple of things. Now, you can do this on your desktop, and you can do this on your phone. So there's no excuse, right? You can be at the house, or you can be in the car and still earn money. They will provide you a download link for software that's completely free. It's not going to give you any viruses or anything. It's a software that helps you record information better. They're going to sometimes ask you to record your voice and give out loud opinions as you scroll through a website. So you'll accept an offer and say, hey, we need you to go to Walmart's page and we need you to click on these specific links. And we need you to tell us if it was easy, if it was hard, if it was confusing, right? So you're just going to have to download this software to make it easier for them to get the files after you're done, right? And I would also suggest that you have not your computer microphone, but some kind of in-ear microphone. A lot of headphones come with like a microphone line on it already. If you can grab those and put it in your computer, trust me, it's going to make it 50 billion times more clearer, and it actually could help you in the long run, because if you have a terrible quality microphone that you're using, then they might not call you back. But if you use that, it's closer to your mouth, it's much, much clearer than whatever's in your computer, you'll be fine, all right? So that's software they give you. Again, it's not going to give you a virus or anything. It's just making it easier on you. They're actually trying to help you out. You can also just go to the App Store, and you can use the same headphones, but the microphone in your phone is actually way better than the microphone in your computer, which is insane most of the time. But that's neither here nor there. Sign up now. Yes, you want to sign up now. All right. So use your Lytx. You go to test or sign up. You can win $90. $90, and the test only take like 20 minutes at that. Right, $90 in 20 minutes is a significant amount of money. Now, though you can make money doing this, it's going to take time and energy that we really don't want to spend if we're trying to seriously make money online. And if you're an entrepreneur and you're trying to figure out a way to quit that 9 to 5, and you're just tired of having a boss breathing down your neck, and you just want more freedom. You want to be able to do things you enjoy. You want to spend time with people more often rather than having to work 12, 14-hour days. What you can do is I have a link in my bio, and the link in my bio tells you the best way to get money online. That's just plain and simple. It just tells you the best way to get money online. It's a training that I do, and it's my #1 resource. It's my #1 way of making money on the internet. Now, I'm not saying this because it's going to be easy. I'm saying this because some of you out there are legitimately tired of doing what you're doing right now, and you're trying to find a way, a better way to make money, and doing it online is the way to go. If you're serious about this, then you can click the link down below. If you're okay and you're not really hurting for much, right, and you just want to make a little extra spending money because bills are taking up so much, this is perfect for you. Just watch this video, sign up for these things, and you're going to be golden. But if you're trying to have a long-term success online and really make a difference in your life, actually change your life completely, right, and being your own boss, then you want to click the link down below, and you want to get that #1 resource that I'm asking you for, all right? Listen, my name is Make Money Malik. I've been here. I'm teaching you how to make money online. Everyone have a wonderful day. Click the link in the bio if you're serious about this online business I'm talking about. Peace.